trust me, trust me. You already know. Don't let me not know. Thinking about me all night. I wish you would come home. But I'm just trying to balance my space. I'm just trying to take my space. Cause we're way too in love just to fucking let go. Cause we're way too involved just to cut and not go. Way too in deep, babe. Way too in deep. Oh, no. We can't even let it go.
Hey guys, so I'm finally back with another video. I know it's been so long since I've done a video on my locks. So as you guys can see right now, I have in a style. For those of you who do not know, my name is Esther Love and I started off my lock journey with permanent lock extensions. So it has been 2 months with these permanent lock extensions, and I'm going to be talking to you guys all about my experience, what I've noticed with my lock extension. So let's get right into this video. I recently got a maintenance done with my permanent lock extensions. It's probably been 2 to 3 weeks since I've gotten my hair retwisted. It's looking a little bit rough. It still kind of looks decent. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Still kind of looks a little bit rough, but I've been having this style, like I said, for like almost like 3 weeks now. And I got these permanent lock extensions December 10th of last year. And one of the things that I really noticed with these permanent lock extensions was that they were making my scalp super itchy. I believe that there was 3 contributors that made my scalp so itchy, and I think one of the reasons why my scalp was so itchy was because these permanent lock extensions were really stiff in the beginning. They're also really dry and just very rough. They weren't soft at all. So I believe, like, because of the extensions were really rough in the beginning, they were constantly rubbing onto my scalp, causing a lot of irritation. Another thing that I would say that contributed my itchy scalp in the beginning was my scalp has never been exposed to sunlight. It has never been exposed to the outside. So I feel like that is also one thing that contributed to it. And I spoke to a loctician about it, and they told me that can also be a factor as well, especially if you have been neglecting your hair so long, which I have. Like I told you guys in the video that I was neglecting my hair. I was wearing wigs. I wasn't moisturizing my scalp properly. I wasn't taking care of my scalp at all. Like literally, guys, I would put on a wig cap, put on a wig, and just go about my day. Like that's literally all I did with my hair and scalp. Like I didn't really maintain it. I barely even washed it. Like I would only wash my hair like once a month. Like it was really that bad. And do not neglect your hair like me. Like do not be me. Like make sure you're keeping your hair moisturized and washed. That is basically all I can tell you as of right now. But do not neglect your hair. Your hair is like a plant and it has to grow, and for it to be healthy, your hair has to be constantly moisturized. And if it's not, then you're going to have all these problems like I'm dealing with now, which is a lot of itchy scalp, a lot of dryness, and a lot of dandruff. Another thing that I feel like that contributed to my itchy scalp was the products that my loctician was using. I believe my loctician, she was using a lot of oils in the beginning, and I have very sensitive scalp, and my scalp cannot take any oils or any of that sort because, as you know, oils are a sealant. They're not really a moisturizer. They're there just to seal in the moisture. And what I was doing was applying oils directly onto my scalp without like moisturizing it. So now I do things a lot different, and I don't put any oils on my scalp. I try to stay away from oils. But lately what I've been using is this sulfur 8 medicated original formula anti-dandruff hair and scalp conditioner. This is one of the things that I really love using. Absolutely love this stuff. It really does amazing on your scalp, and it takes the itchiness away as well as the dandruff. And this is one of the products that I really love. Like, this will grow your hair like tremendously. So that's what I have been using. Next thing that I want to say that I noticed with these lock extensions was that they shed. So in the beginning, when I had my lock extensions, I want to say like it has been like a month in with these lock extensions, and I noticed a lot of shedding. It wasn't like clumps of shedding or anything. It was just like strands of hair just, you know, falling out. Like if I were to do my hair in a ponytail or just like a quick style, I would just notice a lot of shedding. I still do notice some shedding now, but it's really not that bad. I did attempt to wash my hair within the first month of having these lock extensions, and do not do that. I later realized that there were some lock extensions that were really loose in the back, and they were about to fall off, but they did not slip out. So, but do not wash your hair right away. Like if your loctician tells you to wait 3 months, just wait the 3 months. Like, don't be like me and just wash your hair within 1 month of having your lock extensions, because your locks, your actual hair has to lock up with the hair, and it's gonna take time. It's not gonna take a month. So I later realized that once I did the maintenance a few weeks ago with my loctician. So after I washed my hair, mind you, I did talk to my loctician to see if I can wash my hair, because I was like, yo, like I need to wash my hair. My hair is super dirty. I was sweating a lot. The job that I was working in previously, I had to constantly walk around a lot, like being in heat. So I was sweating a lot and my scalp needed to be washed. So I contacted her. She told me it was okay to wash my hair within the first month of my lock extensions, and I didn't notice any slipping. The only thing that I did notice was that these lock extensions were shedding really bad, and they still do shed. It's just not clumps or anything like that. It's just like little strands of hairs within the lock extensions just like falling out. But I'm not really worried about it now, because you know, now I'm kind of a little bit used to it. That is basically the second thing that I really noticed. The third thing that I noticed, so after a month, since by then this is like 2 months later, I did attempt to wash my hair, and I washed my hair 3 times. So the first month I washed it, and then towards the second month I washed it twice, because my hair was really dirty and I wanted to wash it. So by then one of the lock extension did slip out, and it was actually this one that slipped out. But once I did my maintenance with my loctician, she did repair my actual locks, and she crocheted it back in. I will show you guys a video of what my hair actually looked like before and after the maintenance. But my hair, guys, was so thick. I had a lot of new growth, and that piece of hair was basically just holding on to dear life. Like, it was literally holding on to strands of hair that I felt like it was gonna fall out eventually, because how it was just holding on to little pieces of strands of hair. And so when I did my maintenance 3 weeks ago, my loctician, basically she just took out a lot of locks out of my hair that I really didn't need. She took out about 11 of them. I'll show you guys right now. The lock extensions that she put in a bag for me, it's about 11 locks that she took out. So I honestly, guys, do not know how much locks that I have in my hair right now, but these are the lock extensions. I'm gonna show you guys what one looks like. So as you guys can see, that's what it looks like. So this is one of the lock extensions that she took out. She used a crochet hook like this one right here. I'm not sure what size crochet hook that she used, but I know that she used one like this, and I have a crochet hook right here. So just in case if I need maintenance on my hair, like if I want to maintenance it myself, I will go ahead and do that, and I would just use a crochet hook. During the maintenance, she just washed my hair. She let me sit in the hair dryer for like 30 minutes, and then she went on to just making sure that she crocheted my hair. She also did light interlocking on my hair, and she basically just retwisted, and she didn't apply any oils to my scalp, which is a plus for me because like I said, my scalp was super sensitive. And that's basically what she did. And then she did a two-strand and twist style. I'm so excited to be taking out these twists because guys, I had these twists and like I was saying for 3 weeks now, and I'm so excited to be taking them out. I might do a video of me undoing this style if you guys are interested in seeing. But yeah, this is what they look like. Absolutely love them. If you see like any white stuff, that's basically flakes, either from the gel or dandruff, but that's what they look like. Super cute. I absolutely love this hairstyle. It's one of my favorites. I've literally been putting my hair in a ponytail for like the past few weeks now, and I absolutely love it. Like my hair literally looks pretty good, and this is the most decent retwist I've ever gotten ever that has lasted me. Actually, like the last time I did a retwist on my actual hair by myself was within the first month after my wash, because my hair was looking a hot mess. But what I use to keep my hair neat like this is I use a satin silk scarf, and I just use my sock bonnet. That's all I use. I absolutely love this one because it has an adjustable strap that you can adjust to your head size, and it works amazing, and it's satin on the inside. And I got all of these stuff from Amazon, by the way, like, and it's amazing. It's been amazing. I think that is what I've noticed with these lock extensions. As far as slipping goes, I have not experienced any slipping with these lock extensions. I have not experienced my hair thinning at all. My hair is actually locking pretty well. That's what my loctician had told me, and I love them. I really love my lock extensions. They look really good. I get so many compliments that my hair looks really good, and people honestly don't think that these are lock extensions because of how natural they look. But yeah, that is basically it for the update. One thing that I really want to do with my permanent lock extensions is actually dye my hair. Now, I've seen a lot of people on YouTube talk about dyeing their hair, and they end up dyeing it and they don't like it, or that their lock extensions end up slipping out, or whatever the case may be. But I really want to try it, but I think I'm gonna wait a year because my hair is still not fully locked in. So I'm probably gonna wait for a year to actually dye my hair. I'm thinking about dyeing it like a red kind of color, or like a honey blonde or something, or maybe an ombre, fade into like a brown, into like a blonde kind of color. I think that's kind of what I want to do, but I don't know. I'm a little bit nervous because I love the black color. Like I love the natural black color that my hair looks right now, but I kind of want to try a little bit something different for a change. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this update. That is pretty much my experience. None of my locks has slipped out except for that one lock right here. but it had nothing to do with washing it. It just had to do that my hair wasn't be able to hold that that lock. So far I absolutely love the maintenance that my loctician did, and she really took her time, and it took her like 8 hours, guys, to do my whole entire head, from washing it to crocheting it and interlocking it to actually styling it. So that took her 8 hours to do. I'm so sorry, guys, I didn't get a chance to show you guys when it was fresh, but I mean, they still look good to me. I can get another week in with this retwist, but that is what it looks like. Absolutely love it. Let me know if you guys want me to do a takedown video of my 2-strand twist, because I really want to see if it gets all curly and stuff. But yeah, make sure you like this video, comment down below, and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video.